If you don't like the AI features showing up in your Gmail and want a more traditional approach, there is a way you can turn off Google Gemini in just a few steps, not just in Google Workplace, but also in other Google apps. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, then hit See All Settings. Scroll down until you find Google Workspace Smart Features. Once you find it, click on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings. Make sure to turn off Smart Features in Google Workspace. And if you want to disable AI assistants in other Google apps, you can turn off the other option, Smart Features in Google Products. Scroll down and click Save to apply everything. And that's it. Those steps should reduce or disable Gemini features in your Gmail. Your inbox should now feel a lot more simple and less AI driven. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.